What's going on, guys? My name is Lindsay, and in this video I'm going to share with you how one guy is actually earning over $2,000 per day using these free marketing strategies on Facebook. Now in this video I'm going to let you know more about how he's able to do this, because he's actually just released a product that's only going to cost you about $13 to get access to all the training that he's going to talk about and how he's able to do this every single day on Facebook. But then also I'm going to give you access to additional bonuses that I have created if you decide to go underneath this video and hit that link in order to purchase this product. And then also I'm going to share with you a little bit of the back office so you can get a bird's eye view of what you're going to get once you purchase this product. Now, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Now, for this particular product, it is called Cataclysm, and in this course he's going to share with you, again, step by step on how to create a Facebook marketing strategy that has been helping him to earn every single day. And it doesn't matter what business you are promoting. Maybe you are an affiliate marketer, maybe you already have your own digital courses, or maybe you have your own online store. You can leverage everything that he's going to share with you in this course to help you to get sales every single day. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content. Let me share with you more about who this guy is, and then also I'm going to share with you my bonuses, and I'm going to share with you what's all inside of the back office. So the man behind Cataclysm is called Jasdeep Singh. Now, if you have access to my top traffic training, I have listed Jasdeep as one of the top solo vendors that I actually get traffic to, and I also recommend him to a lot of people. And because he is really known in our industry and he delivers quality traffic, he has also built up such an amazing brand on social media. Now, Jasdeep does have an actual mastermind where he teaches people more about traffic and everything else. And that particular mastermind costs about $2,000. And what Jasdeep is going to do is basically he has condensed this training in order to create Traffic Cataclysm. Is going to share with you a free marketing strategy that he uses in order to make sales every day with Facebook. And he's going to share with you how to do this step by step. Now, if you go to the link in the description below the video, it's actually going to bring you here to my bonus page. Now, these are some of the bonuses that I'm going to give you access to if you decide to move forward with Traffic Cataclysm. So the first bonus that you'll receive from me is a training on how to earn $2,000 per day with Facebook. The next bonus that you'll receive is how to create bonus packages that sell. So whenever you are selling something online, you do want to add some additional bonuses that'll help you to increase your conversions. Now, the next bonus that you will receive from me is how to make $100 per day from Facebook using free and paid traffic. The next bonus that you will receive is by yours truly. It's a training on how to make Warrior Plus sales using Facebook. And then also you're going to get the additional vendor bonuses that'll all be found in the back office when you decide to purchase this product. Now, if you also scroll up just a little bit on this page, you can actually see a full video of Jasdeep making over $1,600 live on stage. So make sure you click on the link below to check this out. Now, what I want to share with you is the actual pricing of the product and then all the additional upgrades if you decide to purchase them. So the first product, the actual front end product, which is Traffic Cataclysm, is going to cost you about $13. Now, in this training, you're going to learn exactly how Jasdeep uses Facebook traffic in order to make up to $68,000 in a single month with just 10 to 30 minutes per day of work. Now, the first upgrade is Cataclysm Hack, and it's $47. Now, you'll get a full case study of how a Google Ads expert is able to turn penny clicks into big ticket commissions. The next upgrade is 7x income, and it's $97. And you'll get access to resell 6 of their past products and get 100% commissions. Now, the products you'll actually get reseller rights for are Superstar Cash Rain, Kingdom Builder, Dark Knight Commissions, High Ticket Hero, Forsaken Traffic, Grand Champion, and Instant Sales Berserker. Now, the next upgrade is Unlimited Traffic, and this is for $197. And you'll be able to put your pixels on their sales page to pages that are already converting, and that way you can actually get traffic flowing to your offers. The next upgrade is the Done For You income funnel, and this is $147. Now, with this funnel, you'll be able to import a Done For You funnel that is personally made by Jasdeep and his team that you can actually place on your profile in order to build your list and earn commissions daily. And this actual funnel has already earned over $40,000 in sales for Josh Deep and his team. And the final upgrade is reseller rights for $97. And you can actually sell Traffic Cataclysm as your very own product. And you can actually earn 100% commissions off the entire funnel. So now we're looking at the actual members area for Traffic Cataclysm. And before I kind of share with you what's inside of this course, I want to let you guys know that he put a lot of heart into this product, because each of these trainings are about like 30 minutes long or so. And that is a wonderful thing, because he did not just create short 3 to 5 minute videos just to slap a product together in order just to sell you something, okay? He put a lot of time and effort into creating these trainings because he wants people to be successful with his course. So the first training that you're going to receive is the overview of the Facebook content marketing strategy. The next one you're going to receive is the organic marketing sequence, how to optimize your social media channels, how to actually find buyers and actually build up your audience for free on Facebook. He's then going to share with you how to create your content, and this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial where he's also going to share with you some examples of how to do this. The next one is going to be how to plan your content the easy way. He's then going to share with you how to get massive engagement on social media, how to warm up the Facebook algorithm for maximum results. He's also going to give you an over-the-shoulder training showing him the process of organic marketing, and then also a 30-day challenge where he's going to share with you how to become a marketing expert in 30 days or less. And he's also going to give you a checklist that you can actually print out so you can make sure that you're sticking with the challenge every single day in order to create results. Now, he's also going to give you some additional bonuses, and those bonuses are going to include how to literally sell anything directly from your Facebook or your social media accounts. He's also going to share with you how to sell through direct message conversations, how to make big high-ticket sales, and then also a live training on how to create a personal brand on social media. So you're going to get all of this training, again, for $13, and then you're going to get access to all the bonuses that I share with you at the beginning of this video. So go underneath this video in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link. It will actually bring you here to my bonus page where you get a brief overview of the product. And if you click on any of these buttons on this page, it's going to bring you to the actual sales page for Traffic Cataclysm. And you can click on any of the red buttons here to actually purchase the product. So in this video, I share with you guys a quick review of Traffic Cataclysm. Now, this product has just released, and again, it's only going to cost you $13 to get access to all of that training that I just shared with you, including the bonuses as well. So underneath this video in the description below, go ahead and click on that link. Get access to Traffic Cataclysm today, and I'll see you guys on the next video.